Neat games. Hello world. I'm back with my 7th devlog. So this week was pretty busy. It was kinda rainy and I had to teach some students. They actually came to school. I did my online work and stuff. And for my game, I decided I wanted to try doing a cutscene. So here is, can you tell what this is? This is my cat character. I made a little he wakes up animation. I wanted to use this in my cutscene, and I'll show you guys how I did it. So I did a game jam once, and one of the really popular games had a cool little cutscene in the beginning, and I messaged the guy like, hey, how'd you do that cool cutscene? And he just said, oh, I did it in the animator. And I was like, oh, cool, I can do that. I didn't get much like specifics about it, but he said in the animator. So that got my brain thinking. So here I made a little cutscene. And I just made a little empty object. And I put in cutscene UI because I used a fade to black panel and some text. It's all tentative, my text. And here's the camera target. So I used my normal camera script here, but since the player isn't the target, I made a little target. And if I click the camera target, I made this animation. So if you play it, this is what the camera will follow. So you can kind of see what's going to happen. It's just a really simple cutscene. And previously I showed you those ding ding, he wakes up, he looks sad. And then that's the fade to black UI panel, pops up in that weird position. So yeah, that's how I did the camera movement. I didn't do it in code. But speaking in code, I just made a really simple code just for like a next scene function. So here's how I did that. Just super simple scene management, and then I just made a function name next scene and scene manager load scene, so I can tell it to load a scene. So that's how I did the super simple code. You guys probably know a better way, so let me know if there's another way of doing camera movement and stuff. But yeah, I just used the animator. I made a special sprite just for the player laying down right here. Did the normal cut it up. I put the center at the bottom, so when the sprite gets taller, it still stays in the same position. So yeah. And then another cool thing that I did is I learned once ago how to do the fire particle. You guys might have seen in my old devlog the heat wavy game I made. So I basically used the same particle method. So I'll show you. I kind of want to reveal the scene with it all together, so I'm just trying to show parts of it. But yeah, I made this little fire particle. I kind of like it. I think it fits the pixel art, and they're put throughout the area. So to make this particle, I'll show you guys. Where did I put them? I kind of forget. I think in decor. Yeah, fire particle. So here it is. And basically I just use this particle sprite. So I made just 4 different flames. And then I used the texture sheet animation, so I put them so it just loops them, and then you just as usual, you just adjust the settings. I kept it real tight. I made them rotate, didn't I? Oh, I did it over here, their start rotation. So sometimes they're anywhere between 0 to 360, different sizes, so it comes out pretty cool. And then I added a little bit of simple smoke. I'm probably gonna work on this. I'll add some noise to it, I think. so they'll kind of like wiggle more, but I'll mess with that later. I did a little animated glow, so the glow just kind of changes shapes. So yeah, that's my little opening scene. And originally I had this happen when you started a new game, but I kind of liked it, so I make it start every time before the menu comes up, because it kind of reminds the player why the cat is on this mission. Basically his forest was destroyed. Of course I'll add more things to this cutscene, like I kind of want to put the jellyfish bad guys in the background. So, or maybe let's leave it really vague and the player can interpret it as they want. But so you guys can see it in all of its glory, I'll just start the game up with the cutscene. So here is the cutscene. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. This is the tentative menu, of course. Just kind of shows the environment. And here's the overworld. I think you guys probably seen it. I've been working on more levels, nothing really too interesting yet. I'm brainstorming up some more hazards. So, and as you saw there, when I started my game, the Unity logo and my game logo is not there. So that's my question for you guys. Why is there no logo? Like, I can't even, it has to be there. You know, normally my Neat Games and the Unity logo comes up. But look, right when I start the game, it just goes straight to the cutscene, which is kind of cool, but you know, I do want my logo to come up. But yeah, look, it just goes right to it. But that's the fire particle put on different layers, so it has some parallax. I'll probably add more, and maybe another tile map with some trees on fire. And if you guys have any better lines, I will stop this evil, I will try my best. That's his mission. So that's why he goes on this adventure. So yeah, that's all I did for this week. Next week I hope to show you guys some of the newer levels I'm working on and some new hazards. And thanks for all the comments and the tips and everything. And if you guys are bored, please check out my Terraria, my Stardew Valley. They're pretty fun. I'm getting much better than I was in the beginning. And look forward to my next devlog. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Neat game.